Yo, what's good? This your boy Pmarshinart back at it again. Today we're doing another tutorial, actually a deep clean tutorial to these retro platinum tints 11's. As you can see, these shoes have definitely been through war. But I'm gonna bring them back to life using, your my shoe cleaner, Elite Feet shoe cleaner. A link below if you want to purchase a bottle. But you know what? Let me stop talking and let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you need is a bottle of Elite Feet shoe cleaner. You can actually buy this in the link below. A brush, I prefer to use a regular hair brush, but this one's brand new. And a container of hot water. Alright, so apply like 2 to 3 squirts of Elite Feet shoe cleaner inside the water. And then, apply your brush in there and just start scrubbing away. You go in a circular motion, better it is. But as you can see, this one is not gonna be sudsy as much. It's because on the type of material it is, so it's not gonna really suzz up as much, but on the midsoles it is gonna suzz. But as you can see, it's really working really fast. See? You can definitely tell the difference. Go wipe it off. Just dab it in the water. There you go. See? The little black pieces you can see to come off the brush, but that's fine. This is a brand new brush, so it just shedding. But it's whatever. As you see, this stuff is really good on all types of materials, light colors as well as darks. Sheesh. Once again, the leafy shoe cleaner came in the clutch. Keep them clean, I'm trying to tell you. You can buy a bottle at the link below. You can check my website out at Pmarshinart.com. That will be a link below. Till next time, peace.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. A bit of good, so good, and I know just what to say, and I know just what to do, and I'm so sick of pain, but it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game, and I know you're the same as me. In my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take a time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me. A little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you seek for love, then try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game.